Hi guys, it's Erin Stelter, and this is my week one comment and question video for Comm3433. Sorry it's so late. I just overlooked this assignment. So doing it now. And both my question and my comment come from Jason Mattel's Television and American Culture, our reading this week in the introduction. And to begin, I thought it was really interesting to hear kind of the perspective of him talking about the event of the Janet Jackson and Justin Timberlake halftime show in 2004 at the Super Bowl. And just looking at it from today, 14 years later, I just kind of wonder, he goes through and he discusses it the whole event in terms of his 6 facets from the circuit of culture model that he discusses on page 8 and 9. And those facets are talked about in more detail on page 2. But in examining that, I wonder how things would be different if that happened today. Obviously, if it happened today after that happened, it would still be a big deal because ever since that event, you know, the halftime shows have been pretty mild. And they've been more careful of this. But if that had not happened and happened like at this year's Super Bowl, I wonder if people would even bat an eyelash just because of what we're exposed to these days. But maybe it would still cause a ruckus just because it does seem like people today also seem more willing to be outraged about things. So anyway, I thought this was an interesting discussion to go through. But my question comes in talking about that circuit of cultural model, which includes commercial industry, democratic institution, textual form, site of cultural representation, a part of everyday life, and technological medium. So this book was written, he says he started writing it in 2008, or it was still being written in 2008, so that was a decade ago. And television and how we view it, and you know, how just the meaning of television has changed quite a bit in this last decade. And so I'm just wondering, in y'all's reading, is he missing a facet at this point? Like, are there other things that need to be part of this discussion when talking about these media issues in addition to these 6 facets? So that's my question. In the last decade, is there something else we should add to the circuit of culture model? So thank you for listening. Sorry again that this is so late. Hope everyone's having a great week. Thanks. Bye.